Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate another important predefined methods of string builder and string buffer classes, that is delete method. So let's get started. Using this delete method, we can remove the text of the string which is created using this string builder and string buffer classes. Okay, we can remove the text from the string created using the string builder and string buffer classes with the help of indexes. With the help of indexes, we'll have starting index and ending index. Using that starting and ending index positions, we can remove the text from the given string which got created using this string builder and string buffer classes. So using the indexes, it is possible. Okay, in the delete predefined method, we have to provide the indexes. Now let me practically demonstrate this predefined method for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, let me create a new class. Let me create a new class. So any random name you can give. Okay, any name with the main method. Inside the main method, I'm going to create the string first. String builder. Either you can take string builder or string buffer, guys. Anything is fine. Both will work. String builder, I'll say. And here I'm going to create a string. Let's say I would like to create a string with my name, Arun Motori. Now, if I print it, at this point of time, if I print SB, what will happen? Entire text Arun Motori will get printed, okay? Run this code and see that the entire text Arun Motori will get printed like this. We got the output as Arun Motori, the entire text, string text got printed. Now what I want to do here is sb dot delete, sb dot delete. Here, when you're trying to delete, you can delete using the starting and ending index by providing the starting and ending index. This starting index is an included index. Ending index is an excluded index. So if you give 0, it will start from here. I don't want to start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. From here, I want to delete. From here to here, I want to delete, guys. Okay. From here to here, I want to delete. How to do that? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I have to give 4. Starting from the fourth index, I want to delete till the end. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I give 11, 11 will be excluding index, guys. So it will only delete up to R only. This part it will delete. I will be remaining. You see, if I run this code, after I do like this, if I run this particular code and print SB here, after deleting that 4 to 11, see that I will not be removed. After Arun, I will come. Right click run as Java application and see that Arun, I is coming. The reason behind that is this 11 is an excluded index. It will not be considered. So we have to give 12. If I give 12, the 11 also will be included and will be deleted or removed from the string text. Now run this, you will get the proper output. Now only Arun will come. Hope guys you understood how to use delete predefined method of string builder and string buffer classes in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.